Hey guys, for this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create a distribution list and send SMS to that distribution list. Now the difference between a distribution list and a group is that a group has more information attached to each numbers, while distribution list doesn't have information attached to each numbers. The distribution list just contains a set of unique numbers that you regularly send SMS to. The distribution list is very useful for those that regularly send bulk SMS. So if you want to send bulk SMS to a set of people, you just select your distribution list and upload that and send your bulk SMS. While the group, in the group part, you have the ability to be able to distinguish between each numbers. You can tell that okay, these numbers belong to so and so person, this number belong to so and so person, and they belong to a particular group that I created. So that is how the group and distribution list work. The distribution list doesn't have more information attached to each numbers, while the groups, they have more information that we can use to identify them. So if you want to send SMS to like your friends that you know that okay, I know this person, and you can just use a group for that. You can add your friends to a particular group and select the group and send SMS to the group. But if you want to send SMS to a whole lot of people that you regularly send bulk SMS to, just create a distribution list instead of creating a group. Create a distribution list and put the numbers inside that distribution list and select the distribution list and send. So for these tutorials I'll be showing how you can create a distribution list and how you can send SMS to a distribution list. So to do that, we need to log in, and we click address book and click distribution list. So once we are here, we can just leave this as this, create distribution list. As you can see, we have a test distribution list which I created, and we have a set of numbers inside. So we're going to come back here and create a new distribution list. So the title of the distribution list is going to be what we can use to identify that distribution list whenever we need it. So I'm just going to put I'm going to use this contact. So in this contacts, we can have okay, let's just go step by step. For the sender, we're going to put a particular sender that we want to appear whenever we select this distribution list. So when you upload the distribution list, it will automatically just put this sender ID that we already automatically specified here. So in the mobile section, this is where you put your phone numbers, and they need to be in this specific format here. This format, you can put as many numbers as you want, just make sure that they're in this format. So for this tutorial, I'll be uploading just a single phone number, which is my mobile number, and we'll just paste it inside here, and we're going to create a distribution list that has my single phone number inside. So if you come here, you can see that the list title, the name of the distribution list is list contact. The name of the sender is, this sender means the name I want to appear whenever I select this this distribution list. So I'll just click on save, and it says save distribution list. We say okay. Remember that the purpose of this distribution list is so that you can upload multiple numbers. If you want to add single numbers, come to this page and manage contact instead and add contacts to groups. But if you want to upload multiple numbers into a single file, then you create a distribution list. So we're going to save this distribution list because this is a tutorial and I don't want to send to more than one person. I just want to put I'm just going to put only my number inside. So if I want to add to another person, for instance, I will have to paste the other person's number, but the easiest and fastest way is just to make sure that you have the numbers in the text file. Come and copy here the whole thing and just paste it here. So save and wait. So we can see that it says update was successful. So once we see that we already created our distribution list, we can click this existing list tab to just see if it actually exists. So this distribution list here, this is one we created. So we're going to dive straight into messaging and click on send SMS. So once we're in this interface and you want to send SMS to a distribution list, make sure that you scroll to the groups tab, click here. When it says select list from, instead of contact group, we select distribution list. So once we have distribution list, we specify the one that we want, which is the dist contacts that we created. You notice that when I won't select it, it will automatically bring the sender ID we specify, which is multi-man, like I specified in the form when we're creating it. So just leave message type as text, and we're going to put message here. And that. So this is a distribution list which is useful for sending SMS to a group, to multiple numbers, a set of numbers that you regularly send bulk SMS to. So if you want to create single numbers, like I said before, you want to upload single numbers that you have, want to add more information and you want to add more information to those numbers, go to address book and manage contacts. If you don't have a group to add the contacts to, you need to first create a group by managing groups. So once you manage a group, you can manage the contact and add that contact to a group, so you can add information to that particular contact, and in the future if you come back, the information will still be there. So to send this SMS to this distribution list that has just my phone number inside, we make sure that we have enough balance in our credit in our balance, and we just click send. We notice that we get a success message telling us that one SMS was sent, a lot of 185 kobles. And that is that for this tutorial on sending SMS to distribution list and creating SMS and creating a distribution list. I'll be making more videos for you guys, so you can stay tuned for that.